Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2013 Mini Cooper. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol engine with an automatic gearbox, which are pretty rare these days. The mileage is just over 34,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. As you can see, the British Racing Green metallic paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. This car's got about £1,700 worth of factory options fitted. So a few features I can mention: you've got the salt pack, the multifunction steering wheel there, the upgraded Bluetooth, and the armrest, which is in the centre as well. But overall, you've got a nice clean interior. As you open the boot, you see you've got the split folding rear seats there, which create quite a large amount of storage area as necessary. Externally, the car comes with a factory option of front fog lights and 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by an AA engineer who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, 3-month warranty which can extend up to 3 years, and we offer financing with 7.9% with zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.